go ahead and right click on the start menu and then select Device Manager. Let's go ahead and expand this. And the option that we want to expand is disk drives here. Go ahead, click on the arrow on the left hand side, and this should reveal the disk or the disk drives here that you currently have in your computer. For me, I have two, one for my operating system and one for just general storage. So that's one way to do it. Now let's go ahead, right click on the start menu once again and select disk management. Again, let's maximize this. And here are the two drives on the left hand side. In this square section here, go ahead, right click and then click on properties. And under the general tab here, it will tell you what the drive is. Again, this is my 2 terabyte drive here, and you can go ahead and repeat the process here for any other drives that you currently have. So that is the second way that you can do it. Now the other way that you can do it, let's go and open up File Explorer here. Let's select this PC, or this PC, sorry. Go ahead, right click on one of the drives here, click on properties. Now let's go to the hardware tab here, and it will tell you what drives or disks are currently in your computer. So that is the 3 ways that you can do it here in Windows.